Hey, I'm Ben from Cracks Country Cooking, and today I'm going to show you how I made this. Some Jammin jerk chicken bites. This is a great football tailgate appetizer, party food. So we're going to take some chicken thighs, open them up, trim them right there where the bone was removed, and then we're just going to trim some of the fat off of these. Save this for chicken stock or just in the garbage. So you're going to want these bite size, and they will shrink up, so something like that, about 2 inches wide, that should work fine. You're going to want to remove a lot of this fat here. Something like that will work perfect. Now these are all trimmed up, we're going to be using Malcom's Jammin jerk. Nice heavy coat. Mix that all up. Man, you can smell the spices in this. It's so good. It's really good. Man, the spices in this, it's not overheat, it's not overpowering, but man, it is good. You can smell the nutmeg, the allspice. It's got cinnamon in it, salt, sugar. It's out of this world on chicken. Put them on the shish kebabs. Have the Weber fired up, ready to go. I'll see you in a couple minutes. All right, so I'm gonna place 2 tumbleweeds in here. Light them. Got our brand new grates. Put those in. We're going to use the Vortex today, so we'll place that in there, right in the center, and then some Jealous Devil charcoal. Let this go for probably 20-30 minutes. It'll ash over, and the pile will fall down inside the Vortex a little bit, so it won't be so high. Now these are ashed over. We'll put our grate here. Got the Vortex in the middle. We'll take these old rusty baskets that the Webers used to come with. I don't think they come with them anymore. Basically, we'll take the skewers and place them right about here, and then we'll rotate them every 30 seconds or so. Probably only take about 5 minutes to cook all these. We'll rotate these, starting to get some good color on them. Might have put a couple too many on this one, but we can always move the skewers in and out if we have to. So every 30 to 40 seconds you want to be rotating these. We'll put this one over here. This one's not getting enough. Put these on their side now. Every 30-40 seconds, just rotate them. You don't want them to burn, you want a good char on them, but you need them to cook evenly too. As the chicken fat is dripping down, it's hitting the coals, it smells awesome. Okay, these have good color on them. They're about 170 degrees. I'll let them go for a couple more minutes. All right, these look really good. We'll pull these off, let them cool a bit, and then we'll plate them. So the color is beautiful on these. Look at that. Now we can just slide them off. Basically just get a large bowl, pull them out like that. The wife got me these skewers. I don't know where she got them, yard sale or something like that, so I can't help you with that. So I take a skewer while the chicken's cooking, and I just put 1 piece of mango on there. Just push it on. There you go. These don't take long to cook. They're about 5-minute cook time, turning every 30 seconds or so. and they look beautiful. People love them. They got a little bit of a spice to them. They're not bad. There is a little cayenne pepper in there, so if people are allergic to that, you gotta let them know ahead of time. But basically, you just do that to all of them, and then you can enjoy them. Serve them. People love them. If you want to heat these, if you want to cook these ahead of time, and you got to go out to a football game, you can just put the mangoes and toothpicks in a separate container. Skewer them all when you get there. Leave the chicken in its own little bag to stay hot. Doesn't take long to do. And these are just, they're delicious. You make them, you gotta make a lot of them because they don't last long at all. So now we get to try it. I mean, look at that. That is awesome looking. That is delicious. You got the brown sugar, the pepper, the garlic, there's allspice. What else is in here? Cinnamon, nutmeg. It all blends very well with the chicken. It's got a little bit of a kick to it from the cayenne pepper, but it is not bad. It is excellent. Top it off with a little chunk of mango on top. It just sets it apart. It is delicious. People are gonna love these. You're gonna have to make a ton of them though for the Super Bowl. I mean, how can you go wrong with that? Nice caramelization. One bite. So that's it. That's our video. This is part of our tailgate series. Little quick snacks that are excellent for football game, appetite. You can make this for New Year's. It doesn't have to just be for tailgating or football. Use the link in the description. Help support our channel. You can pick up some of the Malcom seasoning, all the How to BBQ Right seasonings, killer hogs. You can go to our website, crackscountrycooking.com. We got recipes, links to the seasoning, affiliate links to the thermometers and stuff like that. All right, see ya. It's not dinner time, but snack time.